Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Use an iPhone with Face ID and the latest iOS, and update the BMO app. Once done, enable Face ID in iOS settings, Face ID and passcode so the system is ready. Then open the BMO app and navigate to Settings, tap Security, and choose Set up Face ID. You're initiating the app-level link to the system feature. This step lets the app request Face ID permissions and ties your banking access to biometric unlock. When BMO prompts for Face ID access, grant permission so the app can authenticate you with the system. Next, position your face inside the on-screen frame. Move your head slowly in a circular motion when prompted so the true depth camera captures multiple angles. Complete the required scans, usually an initial scan and a second pass for coverage, so the system stores a robust template. Doing this reduces false rejects and makes unlocking faster. Make sure lighting is even and remove obstructions like sunglasses. Once enrollment finishes, test Face ID by closing the BMO app and reopening. Choose Face ID at the prompt to sign in. If authentication fails, first try re-enrolling Face ID in iOS settings. Sometimes templates miscapture details, or ensure the BMO app and iOS are updated. Also check the true depth camera is clean, lighting is adequate, and nothing like a mask or sunglasses blocks your face. If problems persist, contact BMO support. They can verify account settings and guide you through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.